Now, I don't do a lot of videos, but I felt like I needed to do this one because this is the screwdriver that they sent to put this together with no instructions on how to put it together. And this looked right to me. Everything, oh, all the blades facing the right direction. Took me twice to do it. And went to put it in. And yeah, that's what's going on. So I can't say I would recommend this product to anybody ever because my hands hurt from putting it together the first 2 times and it's wrong. So good luck if you get this.